Nehemiah was an Israelite, and he loved his people, but he was a servant to a king in Babylon. He was the king's cupbearer. That means he would bring the king his drinks. One day, Nehemiah heard some terrible news about his people in Jerusalem. He found out that the city was destroyed and the people were scattered. The walls were torn down and the gates were burned by fire. When Nehemiah heard this, he was very sad. Jerusalem was supposed to be the place for the Lord's people to build Zion and to be blessed by the Lord. Nehemiah wanted to go and rebuild the city walls, but he wasn't allowed to leave because he was the king's servant. But Nehemiah didn't give up. He fasted and prayed for many days for his people. Nehemiah also prayed that the king would have a soft heart and that the king would let him go so he could help rebuild Jerusalem. The Lord answered Nehemiah's prayers. The next day, when the king saw that Nehemiah was sad, the king asked him what was wrong. Nehemiah told the king that he was sad that Jerusalem was destroyed. Then he asked the king if he could go rebuild the city walls for his people. The king said yes. The king even said he would help Nehemiah travel to Jerusalem and help him get the tools and supplies he would need. Next, Nehemiah went and talked to some of the other Israelites. "Do you see the trouble we are in?" Nehemiah said. "Jerusalem is ruined, and all the gates are burned with fire. Let's go and rebuild the city walls for our people." The Israelites started to get excited. "Let's rise up and build," they said. The Israelites had a lot of work to do. This wasn't going to be easy. But they went to work and started carving new stones and moving stones into place. When the enemies of the Israelites saw what the Israelites were doing, they laughed at them. They said, "What are you doing?" But Nehemiah stayed focused. "God will help us," he said, and he kept on working. Nehemiah and the Israelites worked really hard. They worked all night and all day. The walls were being restored, and the gates were being rebuilt too. When their enemies heard about this, they stopped laughing. They were angry. They didn't want the Israelites to gather together and become strong. They started making plans to attack the Israelites and make them stop building. But Nehemiah stayed focused. He told the Israelites, "Do not be afraid. Let's keep working and trust in the strength of the Lord." He gave everybody a weapon and told them to work with one hand and be ready to fight with the other hand. Nehemiah and the Israelites worked really hard. They worked all night and all day. When the enemies saw that the Israelites were ready to fight them, and they were still working on the wall, they were very angry. They decided to try to trick Nehemiah. They said, "Come down and meet with us. We just want to talk with you." But Nehemiah stayed focused. "I am doing a great work, and I cannot come down. Why should I stop working just to talk to you?" Nehemiah and the Israelites kept working really hard. They worked all night and all day. It was a lot of hard work, and there were lots of reasons to stop. But Nehemiah and the Israelites stayed focused, and they didn't give up. They finished building the wall all the way around Jerusalem in only 52 days. When everyone in the kingdom saw what Nehemiah and the Israelites had done, they knew it was the work of the Lord. And I sent messengers unto them, saying, "I am doing a great work, so that I cannot come down."
This video was made possible by the Temple Music Light. Enter to win your very own Temple Nightlight now by clicking the link in the description.